Okay, friends, we welcome you back now, and now we're going to consider words that starts with the next vowel, O. And remember, this is a straightforward O sound, and it has no diphthongs whatsoever, just pure O sound, and you keep the O sound completely. So I've tried to come up with as many words that starts with O, and then we'll also look at some words that uses a vowel diacritic form of O. So let's go through these words. First of all, this post position K or O and a Ra, K or, it basically means toward. Paramashri Yehovah K or, toward Jehovah. Okay. Next word, O Ra Na, Ordana. Ordana in modern times it means the dupatta that the ladies wear, but in Bible times, if you look in Matthew, it's the outer garment. So whenever the outer garment is referred to, they also call it ordana. And here's a Bible character, O Ba E Obey Da, obeyed. So let's analyze that a little bit more. Bring it down here. O, then we have a ba, okay, I'm going to add a to it, and it becomes a diacritic like that, obey, and then we end with da, drop the default vowel, a of da at the end, and we have obeyed. Okay, that's basically obeyed. It's in the book of Mark, in the genealogy, and also from the Revelation book. We have O Me Ga. So let's analyze that one. O Ma. I'm going to add a to it, the diacritic. O Me Ga. And Ga has a short. Well, we need to, in order to elongate it, we need to add a R to it, otherwise the default vowel will be dropped. So remember, the last consonant, its default vowel gets dropped, but if you add a vowel to it, obviously you would have to pronounce it, and altogether then this becomes Omega. Okay? The next word up there is O and La, so it's just all, because you drop the default vowel of La, all. I'm sorry, there's a ekar to it. So let's add the ekar. So we're adding an a to it, and there we go. Ole. And ole means hail. Hail, as in the rain, hail, Hail. Okay. All right, excellent. So you got an idea of some words. Now, there aren't that many words in Hindi that starts with O. So it's kind of, I had a hard time finding these words, but if they do start with O, this is what they look like. Now let's see how the O is used as a diacritic to consonants. And remember, vowel diacritics can only be added to consonants. It cannot be added to other vowels. So what we have, the first one, we have a ka and a ra, and we're going to add a O to that, and it becomes like that. So together they are pronounced ka ro. Karo. Karo means do, as a command. Yeah, you do is the informal command. So you would say this with the tum form. तुम करो, तुम करो. Okay. Also with the tum form is the next word, pa, ra. Okay. Ra is again, as a review, is done with the flick of your tongue. Ra. With R, the tongue kind of vibrates several times, but ra, it's just one strong flick of your tongue. And we're going to add a O to that. It becomes that way, pardo, pardo. Actually, this one is not just this ra, pardo, it's pardo, pardo. Okay, pardo. So there's a aspiration to it, H, aspiration. Tum pardo. Okay, very good. And with tum, you also use the next word, ha, and add a O to it. As with vowel diacritic, we got tum ho, tum ho. Okay, so go ahead and work on these words, write them out and say them. For example, as you write, for example, ke or, write that as you write it, say it, ke or. I'm going to, for your benefit, you can stop the video as I say it, so that you can do along with it. I'm just going to say each one again one more time. So we have ke or, ordna, ordna, obed, obed, omega, omega, ole, ole, karo, karo, padho, padho, and ho, ho. Okay, very good.